What about inequality of this form? How do we find the smallest integer value of x for which it satisfies this inequality? Recall when we multiply or divide both sides of the inequality by a negative value, the inequality sign will change. Just as negative 3 is greater than negative 5, but 3 is smaller than 5. In order to have only x on one side of the inequality, take log on both sides. Then apply power law to bring x down to the front. When you check with your calculator, log 0.75 is actually negative. So when we divide both sides by log 0.75, we need to change the sign of the inequality. Since this fraction is approximately 18.42 to 4 significant figures, the smallest integer value of x that satisfies the inequality will be 19. Some students may prefer to consider from the graphical aspect. This will be the range of values of x such that 0.75 to the power x is less than 0.05. For this range of values of x, the curve is below the line. At the point of intersection, 0.75 to the power x is equals to 0.005. Solving this exponential equation, we will arrive to x equals to this fraction, which is approximately 18.42 to 4 significant figures. The smallest integer value of x that is in this range will be on the right of 18.42, therefore the answer is 19. With the same approach, log both sides of the inequality, apply power law to bring down x to the front, then divide both sides by log 3. However, unlike the previous example, when you use your calculator, log 3 is actually positive, so there is no need to change the inequality sign. Since this fraction is approximately 2.524 to 4 significant figures, the largest integer value of x will be 2. From the graphical aspect, this will be the range of values of x such that 3 to the power x is less than 16. For this range of values of x, the curve is below the line y equals to 16. At the point of intersection, 3 to the power x is equals to 16. Solving the exponential equation, we will arrive to x equals to this fraction, which is approximately 2.524. So the largest integer value of x that will satisfy the inequality will be on the left of 2.524, hence the answer is 2.